Welcome to my channel. How to access router IP address 192.168.0.1. 1. Connect to the router. Ensure your device, computer, smartphone, or tablet is connected to the router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. 2. Open a web browser. Launch a web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari on your connected device. 3. Enter the IP address. Type 192.168.0.1 into the browser's address bar and press Enter. This will take you to the router's login page. 4. Verify the default gateway. If the page still doesn't load, check if 192.168.0.1 is the correct IP for your router. On Windows, open Command Prompt. Type IP protocol configuration and look for Default Gateway. On macOS, go to System Preferences and Network, Advanced TCP/IP, and find Router. 5. Enter login credentials. On the login page, input the username and password. The default is often admin for both, but check your router label or manual. 6. Try default credentials. If you don't know the login details, refer to the label on your router or the user manual. 7. Reset the router if needed. If the login credentials don't work, you might need to reset the router to factory settings and use the default username and password. 8. Access router setting. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the router's admin interface. Here you can manage settings like Wi-Fi name, password, and more. Thanks for watching.